Dominic, it might be sunny in the American Airlines Center tonight. We're hoping on a Mavs victory to keep their season alive, but people might have to deal with a few raindrops to get inside that building.
Yeah, I think so, especially later on today. We're going to be dealing with showers and thunderstorms out there. We need the rain, but we wish we didn't have the thunderstorms with it. And you'll notice we have about an 80% chance of showers and storms today. And that will go up to about a 100% chance later on tonight. Upper 70s for highs, mid 70s for tomorrow with a few early morning showers. Today, let's be on the lookout. We do have a slight risk to see some strong or severe thunderstorms, mainly this evening with some wind gusts out there, even some quarter-sized hail. Can't rule out an isolated tornado either. It's a big threat, though. I think some large hail and wind damage will likely be the biggest threat. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, but flooding rainfall also an issue out there. A look at radar. You'll notice that we do have some scattered rain, but heavier showers mainly for the northwestern portions of North Texas here. You'll see through areas near Bowie here, also through areas near Gainesville, west of I-35, through areas in Wise County near Decatur. We're seeing some light rainfall, but look at the thunderstorms there through Montauk County. And also you'll notice that we do have some light rainfall farther to the south towards Hillsboro. More showers and thunderstorms to the northwest toward the Panhandle. We will eventually tap into some more wet weather later on today. As we track it with Futurecast, you'll notice for the next several hours, you'll see that we'll probably be in and out of some light rainfall this morning. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies. Later on today, I'm mostly thinking around that dinner time hour and thereafter, we'll likely have more showers and thunderstorms developing from west to east. And so by 6:30, 7 o'clock, we'll likely be dealing with some heavy rain and even some gusty thunderstorms moving through the Metroplex. How about Mineral Wells there? Yeah, you're going to start seeing some more showers and storms pushing farther to the east here, and some of these thunderstorms might bow out, and that indication means some gusty winds with some of this. Rain continuing toward 10:30, 11 o'clock, and 11:30 tonight. That means by early in the morning, an early riser, you might have to deal with some showers out there. Now, we could be looking at a good drink of water. I like to say that from time to time because we could use it, all right, with the drought here. So we could see some areas seeing about at 1, maybe up to 2 inches. Some areas even farther to the east, 2 to 4 inches of rain. And so if that's the case, we could be looking at some flooding potential out there for the eastern parts of North Texas. Temperatures are in the 60s right now. High temperatures on your 7-day forecast, likely in the upper 70s. How about some mid 70s as we look ahead toward your Wednesday? Yeah, and how about the 80s rolling back in, upper 80s by Friday, low to mid 90s as we push through your Memorial Day holiday weekend.